On her trip to Barbados, Jess discovered a stray dog sitting by her doorstep. The dog seemed skinny and weak, but her friendly nature shows as she repeatedly visits Jess to greet her. She named the dog Roo Roo and took her under her care. Seeing that Roo Roo required extended care, Jess made the decision to bring her to England. It was a long process to finally bring Roo over to England. From treating all of Roo's skin issues to helping her adjust to car rides, Jess did everything possible to bring her home. Roo was overjoyed and thrilled when she finally reached Jess's home. As the days passed, she grew increasingly comfortable. Now, Roo has grown into a gorgeous, lively dog who enjoys the outdoors and playing with others. With her mom's caring heart, Roo experiences happiness every single day.